Hi to all YouTube viewers, my name is Sharan. In this video we will see how to install the Vmware Workstation and how it works. This is my first video on Vmware Workstation. Basic details of hypervisor. This is a type 1 hypervisors are installed directly on the hardware. Example Oracle VM, Citrix Xeonic, VMware ESX and ESXi and Microsoft Hyper-V. And type 2, a guest operating system runs on a processor on the host. Type 2 hypervisors absorbs guest operating system from the host operating system. Type 2 examples: VMware Workstation, VMware Player, VirtualBox, Parallel Desktop for Mac, and QUMU, Quick Emulator for Linux. These are the examples. Now we will see how to install the VMware Workstation on the desktop. This is my PC. I already downloaded that one and place it here. Yeah. Just double click it one and click on yes. I am going to install Hypervisor Workstation Pro 14. This is the latest model, present running. It will take a time to load, install. Yeah, click on the next button and accept the license and click next and click next. And if you are interested to join the VMware Customer Experience Improve program, if you click this one, or otherwise remove this option. That is not mandatory. It will check for product updates on startup. Okay, put that one. Click next, and it will create a desktop shortcut on desktop and start menu programs. It will create two shortcut options. And click next, install. And please wait. It will take time to installation. Yeah, it's already created a shortcut on the desktop. After installation of this, we will install the VMware ESXi 6 and update it to 6.7. Present 6.7 is running. We will do this on this lab on the next video. Yeah, after completion this, you can use this one for 30 days. If you have a license key, you can just click on license and activate it. Otherwise, just click on finish. Now while opening this one, it will show you. 1 second. Yeah, actually I installed on the last day, that's why it's showing the 29 days only, but this trial period is 30 days. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.